Hi, good morning friends. I'm here to discuss with you how to rejuvenate plants to return its glamour, to return its beauty. Actually, this plant is so beautiful. That I prepare is I have here a vermicast. You could also use some compost. Um, I reuse some old plants to do it. What we do is this some of the plants need to be uh, transplanted into a new pot, while others doesn't need new pots. You just need to get some of the soil and just add vermicast and do some cuttings to the excess. Do some cuttings, and then the cuttings you could plant it on the other new pot for new plants. Case the newly cuttings are sensitive plants for replanting. You could use empty bottles. Just cut it into half. Then you could make it for its moisture, like a tiny greenhouse. Just like this, so that the moisture goes around. Easy for it to grow. Easier. Now let's put this newly planted cuttings to the shade and see how it grows and see its flowers soon. Also, this newly groomed plants, uh, we will see its flowers soon also in this video.